Hi guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to delete Discord messages. So let's go to Discord first. Sorry. So I'm gonna show you how you can delete any messages in Discord. If you want to delete your own messages on Discord, like this, I'm saying hi. Then I'm gonna delete this Discord messages. See how? Go to this one three dot icon or more option. After that, you'll find here delete option. Click on delete message. It will pop up for final window. Click on delete and see your message is deleted. So guys, this is how you can delete Discord messages. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.